Good morning, folks. Hope you're having a good day. Just want to bring you up to speed on what's going on with these zucchini here, the green zucchini. It is October the 7th, 2021, and we're heading off into the winter. This is in like a half sun, half shade location because for a good majority of the day it gets shade, but seems like most of the day it gets full sun. These get wilty during the full sun part of the day, but for the most part they're doing okay. Anyhow, this is just a progress report on how they're doing. The cool weather hasn't affected them negatively yet. As it gets colder, we'll see what happens. It's basically just one big experiment. And if they continue to survive well and grow taller, I'm going to increase the support of these strings here, basically as like a little trellis system to help them along. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and stay posted as we keep you updated on the progress. Have a good day.